Hi guys, this is the second part and the last part of the DIY radar to the door, wireless door and window sensor. The easier method for linkage than the previous video. Previous video we had to open this up, we find out the wiring and disconnect some PCB board wirings and add the wiring to this. So this video is going to, which is much more easier. Okay, so let's get into it. This is the radar, where the normal radar, where we have the daylight or night time, the luminosity adjustment. Then this is the timing to turn off after no sensing no humans. This is the distance indicated as arrow. This is indicated as a hour, the clock. So we have 4 terminals. This first two is the power incoming. That's the AC main voltage, depending on your country. Then this is the load side. So without going into this, we can use the load side. These two wires comes to this relay. It must be the AC type relay. AC coil for my side is 220, so this is 220. So from here the load comes into a relay. The coil, this will switch the relay will in turn switch this window sensor, and of course you have to remove the magnetic sensor. You have to wire from this relay to the magnetic sensor, and you don't even have to remove the magnetic sensor. Refer to my previous video for where to solder on the magnetic sensors. It's just two legs, there's no priority, nothing. You just solder two wires from this side. Either you want normally close is this two where it's together, or normally open circuit. Should be normally open, because the sensors here, the magnetic sensors, is also normally open. Of course you can reverse the logic. There's no issues. Later you can reverse the logic inside the apps you are using. It also works. So this one is just have to pay attention to this wiring into the magnetic sensors, which is around here, because the arrow here, magnetic sensors around here. So it's much more easier. 2 wire in, power coming in, 2 wire out, comes to the coil, then the coil goes to the magnetic sensors. And of course here you have to just insert the batteries, change once a year or 6 months once. That is much more easier than going into the circuit board. I hope it's easy for you guys with this simple explanations. Thank you. Bye bye.